Namaskar. Welcome to my class Super KVNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to learn about the chapter books, and at the same time we will discuss the question answer and new word section. So let's begin the class. Books. Come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books galore. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves, little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened one of and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book! So, this rhymes is all about books and it is promoting our reading habits. Nowadays we are away from reading books as we are very much connected to the digital display. So let's understand the rhymes. Come in, said the library door. The library door is missing you so much. That's why the library door is telling, come in. It is welcoming you. Why? I opened it wide and saw books galore. I opened it. I have opened myself to saw you. Means if you will enter into my room, my library, you will saw big number of books. There are thousands of books you can explore, you can read. What type of books? In the next para, tall, skinny books up high on the shelves. Books are of different sizes. Some are tall, some are skinny in the sense some thin books, and up high on the shelves. Some books are on the top level of shelves, and some are little fat books. Some books are very much little, and for example for pocket dictionary these books are very little and fat also, that stood by themselves. If you will keep one pocket dictionary, it can be stand by themselves, they don't need any supports. But if you will keep a tall skinny books, for example if you will keep your marigold books, it will not stand itself. So different type of books are there. Tall, skinny means thin, little, fat, all are the different sizes of books. And in the final para, I opened one of. I, here is the author, the children. I opened one of. I opened one book out of them and sat down to look. If you are going to read, you should sit down before reading books. So the child sat down to read. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book! So when I opened the book, there were many pictures which tell stories. What a wonderful book! The child liked the book very much because there were many pictures in the books and it was telling or expressing the stories. So it was all about the rhymes books. Now we will move to the new word section. Here library, though it is not a new word, still a building or room containing collections of books. It may be a building or it may be a room. You might have seen the library in your school also. Wide, open to the full extent, means to the extreme point it is opened, as it was wide open. Galore, in a great quantity, in a very much numbers. Skin, it's thin. Shelves, a frame attached to a wall or forming part of piece of furniture. Shelves generally where we keep many things, and it is divided into different parts, forming parts. Even in our kitchen also we prepare shelves like that. Library requires lot of shelves. Next, come to the question answer part. What did the library door say? The library door set to come in. Next one, what did the books in the library book like? The books in the library are tall, skinny, while somewhere little and fat. Why did the child in the poem like looking at the pictures? The child in the poem liked looking at the pictures because the pictures tell him stories. Now, the next one. What word signs have you seen or heard in this particular area? Place or sounds. For example, at home, generally we can listen welcome. We welcome our guests. At the vegetable shop, please do not bargain. Please do not bargain. At the library, keep silence. At the doctor place, stay healthy. At the bus stop, please stand in a line. At the toy stop, come, let's play. You can write your own sentence, whatever you have heard in these particular places. The next word, make word families. The first word has been written for you. Word families. First one is ELL, WELL, well. Like that. Second one AIL, TAIL, tell. Next one SEEC. Fourth one OOK, book, BOOK, book. In this way, you have to form the word families. Well, sell, bell, spell, tell. Simply add ELL. Then AIL, tell, mail, trail, rail. Then EEC3, B, tree. Then OOK, ook, book, look, crook, sook, brook. So these are the word family. They belong to same type of field. Fill in the blanks after reading this sentence. And dash is a place where airplanes takes off and land. And airport is a place. A dash is a place where food is cooked. A hotel is a place where food is cooked. A dash is a place where sick people are taken care of. A hospital is a place where sick people are taken care of. A dash is a place where you can buy things. A market is a place where you can buy things. A dash is a place where children study. A school is a place where children study. So, this is all about the today's lessons. If you have any queries, you can visit my blog superkvns.blogspot.com, and at the same time you can write me at akm.kvs@gmail.com. So till the time, thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Take care.